Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, we understood how to insert video clips to the slide. So today, let us move on to the next topic, that is action buttons. So why do we use action button? Action button is a tool which is used to connect to a web page, file, email address, or you can also set link to another slide in a presentation. So children, if you want to create a link, you have to use action buttons. Okay, so action button is a built-in shape which you can add to your presentation to set link to another slide or to another application. So now let me show you how to create links by using action buttons. So I'll show you practically how to do that. Okay, so I'll just come back from the screen. So in order to insert action buttons, you have to click on the insert tab. Here you'll be having a tab called as insert. You have to click on the insert tab. In the insert tab, you'll be having illustration group. Okay, children, illustrations group will be there. In that, you'll be having shapes button. Okay, children, in the illustration group, you'll be having shapes button. You have to click on the shapes button. Okay, so here you have to scroll it down. So if you just scroll down like this, at the last, you'll be having action buttons. Hope you can see the last option is the action buttons. It is the last category. So just click on the action button and you just leave the cursor on the slide. So once you select the action button, your normal pointer, the normal cursor, that arrow mark will be changed to the plus mark like this. Hope you can see the plus mark. Okay, children. Once it gets changes to the plus mark like this, you just press and hold the left mouse button and you just drag it like this. Okay, so if you do so, the action button will be inserted on the slide. And once you leave the cursor, once you leave the dragging, so you'll get a dialog box like this. Hope you can see the dialog box. Once you leave the cursor, you'll get a dialog box like this. So here you have to create a link. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. You'll be having two options here. One is none and another one is hyperlink to. So you have to click on this option. By default, that option will be selected. If it is not selected, you have to select hyperlink to option. Okay, hope you can see you have to select this one. Okay, children, that is hyperlink to. Okay, so I have to click on this and here you'll be having a small drop down arrow mark. You have to click on the drop down arrow mark like this. So once you click on that, you will get a menu. Okay, children, hope you can see here. So many options will be here. Like next slide. If you want to create link to the next slide, you can select that option. That is next slide. And if you want to create a link to the previous slide, you have to select that previous slide option. Likewise, you'll be having so many options will be there according to your requirement. You have to make selections over there. So if you want to create link to another PowerPoint presentation, you can do it. If you want to create link to another video file or audio file, you have to click on other file. Okay, first I will show you how to create link to the previous slide. Okay, children, so I have to select this previous slide option, right? So just by clicking on that, you just select it. Okay, so after making selection, you just click on OK. So the action will be inserted to that particular button. And one more thing you have to remember, children, action button works only at the slideshow view. Okay, so now if I click on that button, nothing will happen. I can just move it, that's all. Okay, so I can't just perform that action in this view. So if I want to view that action, I have to go for the slideshow view. So in previous classes, I taught you the shortcut key for slideshow, right? So what is the shortcut key for slideshow, children? It is F5, right? So you can also do it by mouse. For your understanding, I'll do by mouse itself. So I have to click on the slideshow tab. And here from current slide, I have to view the presentation of this particular slide. I want to view only the slideshow of this slide, right? So I have to select from current slide. So I'll just click on this. So you'll get a slideshow like this. So now your action button will work. So let us just check out how it works. So here, if you just leave the cursor on your action button, okay, hope you can observe there, your normal pointer will be changed to the hand shape pointer, right? So it is a hand shape. Hope you can see which I'm moving now. So your normal pointer will be changed to the hand shape pointer. So if you just click on this, what will happen, children? So what is the link that we have created for this action button? We have created a link to go for the previous slide, right? So let us just check it out. I'll just click on this. Hope you can see it just took us to our previous slide. So this is our previous slide, right? Hope you understood how to set links by using action buttons, right? Okay, so this is the previous slide. So this was our action button and we set to go for the previous slide. So this is our previous slide. It just happened, right? So this is how we'll create action buttons. Hope you understood this. So this is one method, that is in the presentation itself, you will create the link. Okay, this is one method. Let me show you how to create a link for another file. Okay, so again, you have to do the same thing. So you have to go for insert tab. And then in the illustration group, you have to click on the shapes button. At the bottom, you'll be having action button. Click on the action button. And when your cursor changes to plus mark, you just drag it and drop like this. Okay, so if you just leave the cursor, you'll get a window like this. Here you have to select the link. You have to set the link. So first I have selected this hyperlink to. So click on that and then click on the drop down arrow mark. So now I want to set the link for other file, right? So I have to select other file option. You'll be having that option, other file. So click on that. So you'll get a window like this. So from here you have to make selection to which particular file you have to set the link. Okay, you'll be having at the top hyperlink to other file. Hyperlink means, so if you click on that, it will take you to the another page that is called as hyperlink. Okay, so now here I'll select the desktop. Here I'll select the video file. Okay, children. So here is a video file. Then I'll click on OK. Again, I have to click on this OK button. So now it is set. What link I have set for this action button? So if I click on this particular action button, it should take me to the video file, right? So let us check it out how it works. So I'll just go for the slideshow view from current slide. So this is the action button. So I'll just click on this. Have to click on OK. Okay, children. So this is how your action button works like. So if you click on that particular action button, it will take you to the different page. It will take you to the different application by which you have created. Okay, so what link you will be giving for that particular action button, it will take you to that particular file. Hope you understood how to use action buttons in your slides, in your presentation. So this is for today. If you have got systems in your home, please try to do it. And in the next class, I'll explain you some more features of PowerPoint. So if you have any sorts of doubts regarding this, please contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.